Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in Rhino Clear Coat. With black headlamp bezel finish, gloss black Jeep badging, 20-inch aluminum wheels, body color shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5557B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.